Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am gonna tell you about how you can use maps in your iPhone 16. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First, you have to open your maps. Then you can see location services off. You have to first enable it by clicking on turn on in settings. Here you can see location, tap on here, click on while using the app. Now press back, again go to maps. Friends, here it is search map, click on here. Now select the location you want to choose your destiny, like I am writing a petrol pump. And then friends, you have to tap on petrol pump location like sector 5 or wherever you want to go. Then I'm choosing sector 5. And then you have to click on car. This here it is my location. If you if you are at home and you want to go to your petrol pump, then you can choose my location from here. If you are at mall or something, like I am choosing the mall, M2K cinemas, then here it is M2K cinemas to Indian oil petrol pump. And if you want to just change this, you can just swipe up, and here it is Indian oil petrol pump to M2K cinema. And friends, if you want to choose your location where you are in, so you have to tap on your location, just remove it, click on this my location, and here you can see my location to M2K cinemas. From here you can add stop. And friends, you can choose any location like this, and you can see from here you can press go, it will start directing. You can see the yellow line. From here it is the start button, here it is the start, you can see this. And here it is the destiny you want to go to, here it is the market. And from here you can press go, and here are the vehicles you are in. If you are traveling in car, if you are in walk, here it is train, bicycle, or you are at the stop waiting for the bus to pick you up, you can choose this also. And it is 18 distance, you can see this 18 kilometers. In more, you can just download the map also, you can pin the map also. And from here you can choose the map. If you are driving, if you want to see the alerts, the traffic is busy, you can choose the mode like driving, transit. In satellite mode, it's like this, you can see how realistic it is. There are lots of options are there. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.